friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making edamame salad. Here's what we need for this healthy and delicious salad. We need shelled frozen edamame, tomatoes, corn, onion, and for the dressing I'm going to use olive oil, fresh lime juice, and for seasonings I'll just use simple salt and pepper. So the first thing I'm going to do is cook the frozen edamame. So just use whatever's the instructions in the package directions. So mine just says to microwave it for 5 minutes in the package. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put edamame in the microwave for 5 minutes. And while it's microwaving, I'm going to chop the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to chop the tomatoes in very small pieces. Now I already washed the tomatoes before making the video. So just cut them. And put them in the salad bowl. Now I'm going to peel and cut the onion. So this is a small onion. Peel and cut into small pieces. And now I'm going to add chopped onion to the tomato. So next I'm going to add corn. So this is a canned corn, 15 ounces, and I've drained this corn before making the video. So I'll add a can of corn, or you can also use frozen corn that's been defrosted, or you can use fresh corn. So here's a can of corn. So here are all ingredients except the edamame. Edamame is still cooking, and meanwhile I'm going to mix up the dressing. So I'm going to use 1/4 of cup of olive oil, and I'm going to squeeze half a lime. And now just whisk it together. Now if you want a more lime flavor, feel free to use the whole lime. Totally up to you. That's really good and refreshing. So the dressing is ready, the rest of the salad is ready, so we're just going to wait until edamame is done and we'll add it. So I'm just very efficient. I prepared all ingredients while the edamame is cooking. So now edamame is done cooking, so I'm going to carefully grab the bag, just grab it by the corner because it's super hot. And now I'm going to open it and add the cooked edamame to the salad. And now I'm going to add the dressing. And also sprinkle a little salt and pepper. You can always adjust it to taste. Now this edamame is hot and I didn't want to wait until it cools down, but if you want your salad to be cold, you can first cool down the edamame and then add it to the salad. Totally up to you, it's good either way. And now let's mix everything. Look at this beautiful, colorful, healthy salad. Looks amazing. And now you can try and see if you have enough salt and pepper. If not, you can always add more to taste. But look at all those colors, red, green, yellow, and white. Looks so good and it's so healthy too and so tasty. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So delicious. These are such tasty veggies, great combination, and a lime and olive oil dressing goes so well with them. So simple, so healthy, and so delicious. You will love this salad. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!